How to get, set, and add items in a dictionary. First, we'll see how to get items from a dictionary. For that, now we have this dictionary, my dictionary, and in that I have the keys name, which is with the value Jane, age with the value 34, and let's say city with the value New York. Now if I access the key name, I'll get the value Jane. So similarly I can use the get method for which is inbuilt to access the value of the dictionary using the key. So I write my underscore get my dictionary dot get, and then the rounded brackets, and within those rounded brackets we write the key name. So I have written name. It gives the value J. Now if we write get and then we write square brackets, it will give an error because get is a method. So you can see that if I use it properly for the age value, you get the proper value also. Now let's see how to add an item to the dictionary. So now suppose I have name, age and city, and I want to add another key value pair. You can see I've written just to verify that my dictionary has only these values. I've printed the dictionary. Now I want to enter a new key, that is country, and I'll give the value for this key as USA. So now when I print my dictionary, you'll see that another item has been added with the key country and value as USA. That's how you add items to the dictionary. Next we'll see how to set the value of items in dictionary. So suppose you have the dictionary, my dictionary, and you have your values, and you have your key name, and the value is empty string. So in that case, now if I want to give this key value, I'll write my dictionary, and then I'll write the key in the square brackets, and then I'll write the value that I want to set it as. Now when I print this dictionary, I will see that the key has got the value Jane, or you can also say that the value has been set. So this is how you get, set and add items in a dictionary.